Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can set up a project in PyCharm and install required libraries. For that, first you have to install Python and PyCharm. Once the installation is complete, set the path Python path in your system path variable. In order to do so, go to run, type sysdm.cpl, click on OK. You will reach to system properties. Go to advanced, click on environment variable. Under system variables, you can see an attribute called path. Select it, go to edit. As you can see, I have already set my Python path as my system variable path in my system variable path. If you want to set your Python path, go to new, type Python path, click on OK. Your path is set successfully. Now we have a team project in a zip folder. Right click, extract all. This is the location where my project will be extracted to. Click on extract. Here you go. Now open PyCharm. Go to open. Select the location of the respective project. Click on OK. Now your project will be loading. When you use the PyCharm for the very first time and try to load a project, this process takes time. All the components of the projects are loaded. Each and every file is scanned. Then indexing of the module is done. I have already installed Python 3.9. That is why it has been set as my default project interpreter. While the project is loading properly, if we want, we can change the project interpreter. In order to do so, click on File, go to Settings, go to Project, Team Project is my project name, go to Python interpreter. At the very top, you can see the list of all the available interpreters. Right now, I have only Python 3.9. This list shows us the packages that are available with my interpreter. If I want, I can install additional packages as per the requirement of my project. Click on OK. Now let us check whether we are using some packages that are not part of my interpreter. Analysis of initial.py is complete. As you can see, I'm not getting any warning or errors in order to import SQLite 3 or import random. This means that SQLite 3 and random packages are part of my interpreter. Now I can go to Manager User Type. Here I can see that Panda is not installed. I can install Panda package in my interpreter by simply hovering over the Panda word and clicking on Install Package Panda. This installation usually takes time, depends on the package complexity. Once the package is installed, the interpreter will update automatically and indexing will done automatically. As you can see, The installation process for Panda is complete. Now I don't see any errors. This means that Panda package is been installed successfully in my interpreter. I can see Matplotlib and Seaborn. I need to install these packages. Similarly as Panda, I just have to hover over them and click on install package Matplotlib. Same goes for Seaborn, install package Seaborn. Now the installation is successful. Let's go to the last page. Now if I try to run my program, if all the packages that are being used in my program has been installed, then it should run successfully. As you can see, my program is using TK Calendar. This is the package that has not been a part of my interpreter. In my startpage.py, I can see a package called TK Calendar. I have to install this package. In order to do so, I'll simply hover over it. It will give me an option install package TK Calendar. Now you can see all the packages have been installed successfully. I can run my program. In order to run my project, I firstly need to create a database and upload some default entries. This can be done with initial underscore script.py. I can simply right click on it, go to run initial script. As you can see, my program has run successfully. A database named as bikeshare0.db has been created. Now I can move to my graphical user interface. Start page will create an interface for the user. I can simply run start page by right click, run start page. The program executed successfully. Thank you.